The nice Luca Netz Pudgy Penguins Big Bird is Watching You t-shirt is a must-have for fans of the Pudgy Penguins NFT community and anyone who appreciates quirky and fun fashion. Featuring an eye-catching design of Big Bird in a contemporary and creative art style, this shirt pays homage to the vibrant and inclusive world of Pudgy Penguins. It's not just a statement piece for your wardrobe. It's a representation of individuality, creativity, and the ever-growing culture of Web3 enthusiasts. Crafted from 100% premium cotton, this t-shirt ensures ultimate comfort and breathability, making it ideal for all-day wear. The high-quality cotton fabric provides a soft, lightweight feel that's perfect for both lounging at home and stepping out for casual outings. Nice Luca Netz Pudgy Penguins Big Bird is Watching You t-shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Catch eyes with the nice Luca Netz Pudgy Penguins tee. Big Bird's watching your style. Stay cozy with the nice Luca Pudgy Penguins sweatshirt, perfect for chilly days and big laughs. Stay cool in our Pudgy Penguins tank top. Big Bird's watching your style. Stay stylish with our nice Luca Pudgy Penguins tee. Big Bird's watching you in fun fashion. Cozy up in style with the nice Luca Pudgy Penguins hoodie, perfect for birdwatchers. What sets this nice Luca Netz Pudgy Penguins Big Bird is Watching You t-shirt apart is its commitment to ethical manufacturing. Proudly made in the United States, this guarantees superior craftsmanship and supports local industries, ensuring you receive a product that meets the highest standards of quality. The is designed with versatility in mind. Its unisex fit makes it a fantastic option for both men and women, allowing everyone to celebrate their love for Pudgy Penguins in style. Whether you're wearing it to a crypto meetup, a casual dinner, or simply as a conversation starter among friends, this t-shirt effortlessly blends comfort and style. Other product